You stuck a Honor of Kings in loading screen. Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem. Okay, we are going to the settings of your phone. Okay, and here, okay, you in Android. Okay, we are going to the section apps. Okay, and in iPhone you screen down. Okay, and you select the Honor of Kings. Okay, and here, okay, you clear cache. Okay, in Android you clear cache, and okay, you delete the data. Okay, and you go to the App Store or Play Store, the second step, and you search Honor of Kings. Okay, here, and here, okay, if you have a update, you update the game. Okay, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.